Hello, my name is Darian, the creator of Checkout Plus, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add order limits or let's say order validations to your Shopify checkout. This can be useful for preventing any sort of fraud or limiting customers to only buying one product or limiting purchases to a certain country that people are shipping to. So there's a lot of other conditions. We'll go over a few, and I guess let's get started. Also, a quick reminder to do these customizations, it does require the Checkout Plus app to be installed. All right, let's get these order validations set up. So let's create something like this where we want to show an error message and block the checkout for certain conditions. So first, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to open up the Checkout Plus app in the Shopify dashboard. Once you have the app open, it'll look something like this, and you're going to want to find the order validations and then click manage. And then I already pre-disabled the one that we just previewed, so it doesn't conflict with whatever we're going to set up now. So let's create validation, order validation, and then you'll be taken to the order validation creation page. So the first step is creating the name. This name is totally up to you. It's just for keeping yourself organized with all of the validations that you have if you have multiple. So for this one, let's do block US orders. And let's say, sorry, we do not ship this product to the US. So we're going to block US orders for the name. And then the error message is, sorry, we do not ship this product to the US. And then the error message location is going to, or let's take one step back here. There is a translation section. If your store does support multiple translations or multiple languages, you can translate this from your base language of your default language in your store over to other languages. It should support up to 21 different languages. But for now, we're going to keep it simple. And then we're going to go to the error message location. So this is where you want to show that error message on what part of the checkout. So there's a lot of different areas that you can choose from. I'm going to keep it at the top of the checkout. And then you're going to add the condition. So this is the important part of deciding what gets blocked. So first, we're going to go ahead and do the shipping country because we're going to want to block US orders, right? So this one should have US pre-selected, but you can select as many countries as you want. So now we have that, but this is going to block all of our products that are shipping to the US. If we want to add multiple conditions, let's go ahead and select add condition to add another, and then let's just select like a certain product. So we're going to be like, if this product is, and then we're going to go ahead and find the Mona Lisa. So now this is saying, hey, we're going to block all orders of the Mona Lisa that are shipping to the United States. So if we're shipping to anywhere else, the Mona Lisa to other countries, it'll still work. And then last over here on the right is the run location. So this is when it will attempt to block the checkout. So on checkout completion is the very last step. When the customer presses pay now on the checkout, it will run that validation and then check. The main reason these are separated is that the checkout interaction is whenever the customer is filling out different fields on their checkout. But in this example, we don't want to do it on the checkout interaction because we could be blocking it too early because the customer, we don't know their shipping country yet. So if let's say it's pre-selected to US, but they're actually planning on shipping to another country, we don't want to show that error message until closer towards the end of the checkout after they have added their shipping address. So we're going to leave it at checkout completion. We're going to select save. And then once we select save, we'll see that the new block US orders validation has been created. So let's go ahead and test this out now and head over to the checkout that I just had open. I'm going to hit refresh to reload that validation. And then let's go ahead and fill out these steps. So we do have the Mona Lisa in our cart and we are shipping to the United States. So this should be a condition that should block us when we go to hit pay now. So we'll go through the steps to place this order. So let's go ahead and breeze through these. Here's the fake credit card. Agree to the terms and conditions. And then once I hit pay now, we should see that error message pop up. So let's hit pay now. Oh, and look at that. Sorry, we do not ship this product to the US. So this will let your customers know, hey, we can't ship to the US. Let's change our shipping or change our product. So let's go ahead and switch to a different country. And that is how you set up order validations and order limits. Like I said, there's tons of combinations that you can mix and match and add together to fit your business needs. I hope that video helped you, and there are a lot more videos like this that we have created on our channel to help you customize your checkout, as well as customize your thank you page and your order status page and so on and so forth. So go ahead and check out the rest of our videos on the channel, and thank you.